Liang Pyrshah jangka yeng dorbar tauan ke jela kalabu Jingkylli lakadon NEHU ke jeng penslam bansiu ya ke Tulop jangki Nonghikai ha ke jela. Haba jubab Halor kani Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sorkar jela balak menrumbui ula pentip ba ke Sorkar jela kala syimkhia ban penbet yaki jing habaya day bat ke jing slam bansiu Tulop yaki Nonghikai. Menteri ula pentip rubah mentah ke Sorkar kala penkre pentrekam daga portal kabala tip kum ka Meghalaya School Information Management System ban weng ya kajing slam ha ka bapha ya kajing terwa bayade bat ka Tulop.
One is that the processing of the salary payment. This system, that's why the government come up with this new system where through this Maxim portal, the process will be more simplified for so that the government could sanction at the earliest.
Mr. Speaker, sir, is it a fact that these salaries for the ad hoc and granting aid teachers are diverted to some other causes? And if yes, is there any steps taken to mitigate this problem?
No, sir. There is no diversion of salary, which means for the teachers, it is paid for the teachers.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge that is there any recent cabinet decision wherein there is a approval for structured pay framework, and what is the present status of implementation and the timeline for the full pay rollout?
Yes, sir. As you have, everybody knows that the problem or the grievance of the teacher is one of the major issue which bog down the education department from time to time. But I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Cabinet on the 19th of December 2025, where they have approved that for all the categories of these granting aid teachers, they will bring into one umbrella is that the new pay, structured pay framework for those fixed pay teachers. And the implementation of this new structure will start on the 1st of April 2026, sir.
Mr. Thaba, please.
Sir. Sir, such delays are affecting the moral and performance of our teachers. So I just want to know from the Minister in charge of Education, has the Education Department dedicated a specific or separate salary head to prevent future delays?
So the Education Department have the different heads for this salary. So for salary, so there is no issue with this. The only thing is that there is the issue is that during this so many years that we find that sometimes the delay is there. So that to streamline all these things, the government come up with this new system where we could check where is delay happen, and so that the burden or so that it will ease the mind of the teachers so that they will get the salary on time, sir.
Okay. Please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, now this issue related to the salary of the teachers, there's quite a substantial disparity in respect of the salary which are being paid to different categories of teachers. Now, this issue has been a matter of concern, and it is only appropriate that we must take cognizance of this huge disparity and do justice to those categories of teachers who are being paid abysmally low. So, I have not seen government taking steps to address this issue. So, may I, therefore, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, get a categorical response of the government in this regard?
Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 12th of February 2026, the government issue one notification, whereby may I read some the operative part of it, that Lower Primary School, 0 to 5 years, the salary, revised salary is 21,000 plus CPF 1,680, it becomes 22,680. Then 5 to 11 years, 22,000 is the revised pay, and the CPF 1760. 11 to 19 years, 23,000. CPF 1,840. 19 to 28 years, 24,000. CPF 19,920, and about 28 years, 25,000. CPF 2,000. Upper primary, 0 to 5 years, 2,425, 24,250, CPF 1,940, total 26,190, 5 to 11 years, 25,300, CPF 2024, and so on and so forth. These are we recognize the contribution of the teachers. This is disparity of the teachers. As you must have known, sir, we have different categories of teachers. We have SSA, LP and UP. We have RMSA for secondary and higher secondary. We have ad hoc teachers, LP, UP, secondary, higher secondary, secondary morning, secondary night. We have food teachers, we have science grant, secondary, we have Hindi teachers, secondary, we have pre-primary teachers, preschool. And there are different categories and different pay structure. I'm very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister that to ease the burden and to bring the parity in the pay. So we brought this notification, as I mentioned above, the decision that on the 12th of February 2026, which this pay structure will be implemented on the 1st of April. I hope with this intervention of the government that I cannot 10%, but the issue relating to the teachers' condition and salary will be eased to such an extent. Thank you.